Welcome. Everyone's ego is so fragile nowadays. We always put our ego up there and we always neglect everything. Everything. So when someone says to us something bad, like a negative comment, we often just curl up and try to defend ourselves, saying, no, 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 I'm not that. Or when someone says, oh, you're dumb, we try to prove them wrong by saying, no, I'm not dumb, I'm smart. That's when our ego gets shattered. Growing up, I've always had an inflated ego. My ego was off the roof. Do you know why? My ego got inflated because of the video games I used to play, because I was like top ranked in every one of them. And to be, it did some bad things to my psyche. I was like, okay, I'm a shit in video games. I'm the shit. I'm the best one in video games. So I'm the shit. Okay, I got good grades at school. Okay, I'm smart. But when it came to like doing hard problems, let's just say in math, let's say in life, I couldn't do it, and I said, "Oh, it's not for me. I'm just too smart to actually do it," and never actually did it. So, where did I go using that kind of mentality? Nowhere. I was just in the same old rut, same old muddy water, and I was not leaving that place for a long time. Then I changed my mindset, changed my every single behavior possible, and got on the path of self improvement. But you have to know this. Oh my god, my eyes hurt. You have to know this. Your ego can be your enemy and your friend at the same time. And you have to be able to actually use it as a friend, because having ego on your side, the biggest thing that people have in their own mind, can benefit you in so many ways. So the next time you catch yourself getting your ego hurt, it's completely normal. It should be hurt, because the first step that you have to get ego on your side is to deflate ego that you have. Look at yourself in the mirror and take off your pants, take off your shirt, and say, okay, I'm in a bad shape. Boom, ego broken. Now try to figure out a math problem. Okay, you cannot figure it out. Okay, you're dumb. Ego deflated. Turn off video games. Try to do push-ups. You can only do 3 push-ups. Ego deflated. So the point is, try to do things that you have not really done or don't really do, so that way you can deflate your ego and become more humble. You need to be humbled first. Second is, when you wake up, you have to look in the mirror and tell yourself, okay, I'm the strongest motherfucker ever. I'm the smartest motherfucker ever. After you have deflated your ego. And what does this do to your psyche? It's simple. So when you wake up and tell yourself, okay, I'm the strongest motherfucker on the planet, 2 things are gonna happen. First, you're gonna go to the gym, train, actually lift heavy weights, go there, punch someone in the face. I don't mean literally, but basically you train and you prove to yourself that you are actually strong, and then you go home and you're satisfied with the fact that you proved yourself right. But the second thing that most people do is just call themselves smart and don't do anything about it. So how can you use your ego to be your friend, to your ally, to be your companion, whatever you want to call it? Is to first deflate it, and second, tell yourself that you want to be something, and then act on it. So just say, I'm a good mathematician. Okay, go do math now. Okay, let's just say I'm the best fighter. Okay, go train, go spar. See, you've made significant progress. It's better than doing nothing. So, I mean, I've not really done it, but some days I woke up and I told myself, okay, I'm the shit. Now I have to do this shit to actually prove to myself that I'm the shit. Does that make sense? Okay, good. So, I hope you liked what I said, but the thing is, right, most of the people that I know are extremely, egotistical. It's okay. It's okay. Don't pay attention to other people. Have your focus on you and yourself only. Because if you go through life and you pay attention to everyone, what everyone wears, what everyone says, what their opinions about you are, you don't have time for you. You don't really have time to focus on your mindset. So this is the best thing that you can do. You have to avoid those people, because there's only a limited amount of fucks you can give in the world. There's an only limited amount of cares you can give to the world. So why give it to other people? Why care about your ego? Fuck your ego. I know it's gonna hurt, but you will get used to it. Same way that I got used to it. Okay, First, when I walked into the gym, I got humbled because I couldn't lift that much. But it's okay. Time time went on, and I got stronger. I put on mass, I put on weight, I put on muscle. So it's completely normal if your ego gets, deflated. It's normal, it's the human process. And I think that is the way that you can go towards success. You need to deflate your ego. And what I've told you, you can use that. You can use the tips that I given you. You will look at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. Now go you prove yourself. Now you go act on it. Because if you're only just talking every single day and you don't do anything about it, what's the whole point? It's better to not talk and actually do something. But if you are a fan of talking, just talk and do it and act on it. Do whatever you have to do. So it's my take on how to actually make your ego your enemy or your friend at the same time. So you have to use this and actually become better. So see you next time. If you liked it, just subscribe, whatever, because I don't really know if people actually like what I say or what I do. So that's the only way that you're gonna let me know. So see you, buddy.